Children who need to be able to express themselves in clear English are being taught political slogans. Children who need to be taught to respect traditional moral values are being taught that they have an inalienable right to be gay.
How does it feel now she's here?
Hi, I'm George Heath.
And I'm Elizabeth Bowie.
And we wrote a film called Kitchen Sink Fantasy.
Kitchen Sink Fantasy is a 15-minute fantasy rom-com about a gender-swapping Gen Z narcissist coerced into a magical quest. They must balance the whims of their fairy godmother with the perfect night out in order to get the girl of their dreams.
We're making this film in order to showcase the joy of LGBTQ+ lives rather than just the hardships they face. It's a story of celebration and one of love. As postgraduate students at the Edinburgh Napier University and Screen Academy Scotland, we have access to industry standard equipment that need your help in bringing this film to life. Along with equipment and facilities, we've also been lucky enough to meet some incredibly talented individuals here in Edinburgh and recruit them onto our crew. Say hi, everyone.
Hi! Now that we have our strong and unique crew, we now need to raise funds to provide for three principal things.
Number one is the cost.
We want to provide fair rates to a diverse group of people.
For locations?
This includes electricity and usage, as well as transporting the equipment.
The art department.
To allow for an exciting, innovative prop and costume design.
We believe this is a really significant film to be making, especially at this moment in time. LGBTQ+ stories, especially about those outside the gender binary, have never been more crucial to tell, and that is the story we're telling.
Please help us in any way you can, whether that's sharing this page or donating directly. It would mean so much.
Together, let's make this kitchen sink fantasy a reality.
Are delicious. You love them more than I can say. You've been spending far too many hours staring at the flowers. You're wasting away. Yeah, you're wasting away.